We've become the green leader in our community. We've been voted Green Business of the Year 3 years in a row, as a matter of fact. And people loved our green pest control service, but they continued to ask, what about termites? And at the time, the only alternative we could really offer was a bait system, because there wasn't any pesticide in the soil at all. So until Altriset was available, the only option we had was a bait system. Well, we made a decision, frankly, to just eliminate the bait systems altogether, mostly due to service. We had to go on a property at least 4 times a year, whether they had termites or not, just to check the bait system. With Altriset, now that we have a toxicological profile that our residents in our sensitive area will allow us to put in their soil, the label just made all the difference in the world. So because of the opportunity to do that, we can treat one time and only have to go back annually for a renewal inspection. Matter of fact, we've been using the product now for over a year, and we're into our second swarm season in Florida, and we have not had the first retreatment yet. So we've had, I would say, 100% efficacy in all the homes we've treated, so we've been delighted with the results. Based on the research that's been done and the personal performance that we've seen, termites stop feeding within hours. This chemistry is so remarkable to affect the muscles, the mandibles particularly of a termite. They stop feeding immediately, and that seems to resonate with consumers. Besides the fact that they stop feeding immediately, we also talk about that the product will eliminate activity within about 90 days. We've actually seen a quicker result. We've done tests at homes where we treated, went back in 2 weeks from very active tunneling, and there was absolutely no activity at all. But as long as we get the product everywhere where termites are, they're going to transfer the product one to another. They do aggregate. Once they start being exposed to the product, they start gathering together, and as they do, the active ingredient gets transferred one to another. So that also promotes the lack of feeding quickly and the control within the 90 days. We are completely impressed with the chemistry that DuPont has created. I've been in the business for over 20 years, and in that time we've seen new generations of products that have also been an incredible advancement versus the old Chlordane and Dursban years. I mean, I was in the business when baits were invented, and it was remarkable. I really feel that the advance in this chemistry and this product is as or more remarkable than when we got baits on the market.